Anything you try in 2022 that didn't work, let's try again.
I'm ready.
We shouldn't give up. Happy New Year, guys! If you're watching this video, that means that you've seen 2023. So we wish you a prosperous new year
and all the best in this year.
Yes.
So in this year, Chillout TV has a lot for you.
Okay.
So stick and stay with us each and every time. Don't go anywhere. So if your friends haven't subscribed to Chillout TV
yet,
they are missing a lot and
you
doing them too much harm.
Since our vlogmas, like our channel has grown so much. So
and it's 2023 too.
Yes, we have to go. You have to go. You have to. You know the thing, right?
2023 are going to make things brighter.
Yes.
What we couldn't do in 2022, Chillout TV has for you. So we are your favorite YouTubers and your favorite subscribers.
Yes.
We love you so much. So don't forget to subscribe to Chillout TV.
Yes.
Like, share, and comment. If this is the first time, we love you so much. Don't forget, this is Chillout TV. The name is still Chillout.
Yes. Your favorite YouTubers.
It's undisputable.
One thing you have to do for us to know that this year has really been helpful is that we have to set our goals right. And then 2023 shouldn't be a season where we just talk and then like we have to act towards it. If we act towards it, we will see the result. And then if we don't act towards it, it will be like any ordinary year that has just come by.
So my lecturer once said that,
we want to hear that.
My lecturer once said that in class. I remember so well. She was talking about planning, and she was like, she writes everything she wants to do within the day. So she has everything written down. So in the morning she'll send it, and she'll wake up in bath. Everything is written. The listing is written. So like you just don't get up. Like she made one example that maybe she made one example that maybe when you're in class, someone can call you that let's go to this friend's room. But you know it's not part of the plan, so you won't go there. Yeah, so if you have your plans, nothing can interrupt you. Everything is, even if it's not written, maybe there are different categories of people. They might not write it down, but maybe when they have a plan, they follow it. Maybe you're not the type of person that you plan and you follow. So maybe I think writing it down would be the best way. So when you write it down, I'm sure you follow it. So I planned that in 2023. Everything we want to do on Chillout TV must be written, and it must be followed to the latter. When you do that, the years, when you can just go back over the years and recount that
I wrote this and then I've achieved
yes. But when you think, you might forget one of the plans you made. But when you write it, you're like, oh, I plan on doing this,
and I did it.
I didn't do it, or I've done it. Let me try it again. Yes. So this is what we have for you. We made it, and let's make 2023 a better year for us.
Anything you try in 2022 that didn't work, let's try again.
I'm ready.
We shouldn't give up. So if you try something, you tried a business, you tried something, maybe academic, something, you did something that it didn't work in 2022. Maybe 2023 will be your year. You will not know. Sure. So try again and then go harder this time. It will get better. So one scripture that I really think you have to use in 2023 is Habakkuk 2 verse 3. Like the scripture really gives you hope. You want to hear it?
So the vision is yet for an appointed time.
Oh, okay.
But at the end it shall speak.
Okay.
And not lie. Though it tarries, wait for it, because it will surely come. It will not tarry.
I really feel this scripture is really, I don't know why, I find
it interesting.
Yeah, I can relate. Like anything you are doing, though it tarries, 2023, let's wait for it. We've wanted things in 2022 in the past years, but it hasn't come on. But 2023, that's why it had tarried in the few years that has passed. Let's wait for it in 2023. We will get it.
I'll wait for it.
Yes, we will get it in 2023.